In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your design to landscape orientation in Canva quickly and efficiently. So, whether you're creating a presentation, a social media post, or just experimenting with your design skills, learning how to adjust your layout is essential and surprisingly easy to do. So, let's jump right in and explore how you can seamlessly switch your design's orientation using Canva Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva Pro account. As this feature requires a Pro subscription, once you are in Canva, open the design you wish to change to landscape orientation. Now our first goal is to find the resize button, which you can typically spot on the top menu bar of your workspace. Click on resize. This tool is incredibly helpful as it allows you to instantly change the dimensions of your design according to your needs without damaging your current work. After clicking resize, you'll see a variety of preset sizes. However, for changing the design to landscape, you'll need to click on the custom size option. This step is crucial because it provides the flexibility to create the exact size you need rather than relying on predefined settings that may not suit your specific requirements. Once you've selected custom size, you'll notice two fields labeled width and height. Here's the part where we customize our design to fit the landscape orientation. In the width field, type 1920. This dimension is commonly used for landscape layouts, particularly in digital formats, because it aligns perfectly with widescreen displays, giving your design a broad cinematic feel. You'll need to input a dimension for height that keeps your design proportional. Typically, a height of 1080 pixels is a good match for many landscape uses. Now, with your dimensions set, the next step is to click on Copy and Resize. This feature is especially handy as it not only resizes your canvas but also ensures you keep a copy of your original design. This way you won't lose any of your earlier work, granting you flexibility to go back and forth if needed. To finalize, select the newly resized version of your design. Take a moment to review and adjust the elements on your canvas. Sometimes resizing can shift things around a bit, so it's always a good idea to verify that everything looks sharp and well placed. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've now successfully changed your design to landscape orientation in Canva. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different sizes and layouts for your future projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.